Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to link or create tasks from the repair orders form. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Repair Create Task. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to repairs, go to any orders and see here this button for create task. Click on and see here repair reference number is already added. Set deadline, add project like office design, set customer assign to, and add text like a design and click on this create task button. So see here now created task is linked or created. Click on and see here all details. Thank you.